The shorts?
Real? I'll be open tomorrow, Sunday. You guys are
Yeah, we're from Bakersfield GM Group.
Yeah.
And we met down here at the, they mentioned you, and we went further down to like museum, now we're headed back up. So
Okay.
that's our excuse coming in late. Yeah, very nice.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Okay. Just had 11 to 3. I kind of shut them down. I've been here all day. So go take a quick look. I'll be here tomorrow. I've got horses to take care of.
I understand. We're on our way home, so we'll just take a quick look, take some pictures.
Yes, sir.
And let you get to your horses.
Most of them are. So this is a new cheese, a process leader. You just use the radio for it. Well, you can be both ways, but it's better if you take good and put the one. One system to one, one system to two. So I used to do like that. It's not like that. Excellent started in action. He was like, using houses that basically drive it down. We used to put it there so somebody else wouldn't come in and make the same. Because what happens is, when you go to break it down, you've got to go in and delete. So sometimes you can go in and put your locomotive on there, go to consist, and delete it. Like on these, you can just go in and delete all three of those by putting it on internet and deleting it. Right. And then you go back and re-add them. You put your first one, the lead loco, that number in, forward or reverse, whatever one's next, forward or reverse. And all three.
I like that lower
But if
track.
they're older ones, you
I like the lower track.
Advanced, which is really easy. If they're
You know,
older,
right here?
it's harder. Yeah, that's good. I always have to get the manual out and look it up every time I have to
Yeah,
do
I
that.
like on that shelf. That looks good. Yeah, and it comes out over here.
Comes up over there.
Okay.
Hey, thank you very much.
All right.
Well, we're going now? Horses are probably getting hungry.
Hell yeah, Pete.
Wait a minute, hold on. I still filming.
Yeah, see how it drives down in here, the harbor.
Yeah, it was freaking out the first time.
It's just working out.
Yeah.
It's just working it in.
That looks good.